Hello guys, welcome to PrimeView. My name is David and today we have another video in amazing neighborhood, one of the Jerusalem's most prestigious neighborhood. It consistently ranked as a top-tier luxury area based on Madlan and municipal data. Rehavia attracts diplomats, academics, professionals and high-income families, making it one of the most desirable places to live in Jerusalem. I just want to show you, look at the view. Insane. Here in front of us you see Israel Museum, and now you see government offices, and now you see the downtown, central bus station, all the stuff. So let's go and see the neighborhood, and during the video I will tell you also the prices on the apartments. So I want to show you the neighborhood in 4K so you can see how it looks like and give you some information, some interesting information, and also facts about the neighborhood. So you have old buildings as well, new buildings, everything renovating. Old buildings become new buildings, and this is how it is. In this neighborhood, high property values with extremely low supply. Rehavia has some of the highest prices in Jerusalem, with very limited inventory. Because supply is so low and demand is constant, prices remain stable even in weaker market periods. Okay guys, look at that. This is insane. This is one of the best neighborhoods for sure. This is central location with unmatched convenience. Walking distance to Soccer Park, Ben Maimon Boulevard, Givatram, and the city center and cultural institution. It's quiet and residential, yet minutes from restaurants, cafes, and major public areas. As you can hear, renovating, a lot of places renovating here. This area have strong demand from foreign buyers, especially from the US. Rehavia is one of the neighborhoods with the highest percentage of international buyers. Particularly in North America. This drives price stability and keeps demand consistently high. Rehavia is a large neighborhood. Today I will show you one part of it, but this is large. And in the other videos, in the future, I will do other parts. Because if I do everything in one video, it will be 2 hours. Maybe even more. Look at that. You have buildings and also renovation. between the buildings. This is insane. This neighborhood have excellent long-term investment profile. Rehavia shows very strong value retention, low volatility and steady appreciation over the years, suitable for high budget families and investors who want long-term stability rather than speculative gains. I found some apartment. I will give you the idea how it's look like and what the prices are. For example, 4 rooms, 3rd floor, out of 6, 112 square meters. All right, it's 5 million shekels. Today the dollar 3.3 shekels equals $1. Okay, in this apartment you have balcony, you have mamad. Mamad is the shelter room, okay? In Israel you have shelters almost in any buildings, or only the very old buildings have shelter underground, but most of the buildings have shelters in the floor. Like if you live in 11th floor, you have in the floor. If your building is newer, then you have inside the apartment, you have one of the rooms, it's a shelter. So this is how it goes in Israel. There is also a cheaper apartments. I found one, 2.5 million, 3 rooms, ground floor. All right, ground floor depends on who you are. It's 50 square meters. It's very small. It's for 1 or 2 persons. Let's see what else we have. I want to show you other side of the prices. Okay, guys, listen. 5 rooms, 187 square meters. Look at that, renovating for new building. 187 square meters. It's a first floor, not ground, first. I'll tell you what you have inside before the price. Okay, it says it's renovated, it's new. You have everything inside. You have heat on the floor. You have air conditioner. And what else? Furniture. It cost 10 million shekels, guys. This is the main road. It's called Gaza Street. You have another one, 3.5 million shekel, 3.5 rooms. In Israel, when we say 3.5 rooms, it means you count all the rooms. All right, include the living room. So 3.5 rooms, 2nd floor, 71 square meters. average apartment. You get the idea, guys. Thank you for watching PrimeView, and see you. Beautiful building, look at that. See you in the next video.